Hey guys, it's Julian from King Passive here, and today I want to talk about 5 ways to rapidly improve your crypto trading success. Because you don't need ninja skills to make money with cryptocurrency. It's all about your mindset, experience, discipline. So, anyway, let's get started. So rule number one, never make emotional trades. When it comes down to financial decisions, you can't afford to let your emotions get in the way. You need to be rational, logical, and objective. And I know it's really easy to get caught up in your emotions, but that will cost you in the end. So stay resilient, disciplined, and ready to take on risks because it's all about your mindset. And when the market gets a little rough, most people give up way too early. They don't have the confidence or the motivation to keep going when the market dips. So that's why you can't afford to give in to emotional trades. Number two, don't succumb to FOMO. FOMO stands for the fear of missing out, and it's pretty common in the crypto world. So don't chase trades out of FOMO. Whilst one cryptocurrency might be rising like crazy, it can easily drop too. And the fear of missing out can quickly make you careless. So don't run after cryptocurrencies that have already peaked because they can easily dip as much as they've increased. Number three, only invest in cryptocurrencies you believe in. So before you start trading in altcoin, make sure you truly think this cryptocurrency is a valuable prospect. Otherwise, you're investing your money into a crypto that could easily disappear overnight. Check out their website, their team, their marketing capabilities, and their technology, and realize that cryptocurrencies are pretty volatile investments. And if things get a little ugly, you need to be able to weather the storm without worrying if your investment will be around for much longer. Number four, always diversify your portfolio. And diversifying just means spreading out your investment across a few different coins rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. So if one of your cryptocurrency drops, then you won't blow your whole investment. And there are hundreds of different cryptocurrencies to choose from. So you have plenty of choice when it comes to diversifying your portfolio. And finally, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This isn't just one of my top tips for trading cryptocurrency. It also applies to stocks, shares, forex, and pretty much anything else investment related. With the crazy returns that cryptocurrency offers, I know it's really tempting to overspend, but when it comes to investing, just pick a budget and stick to it. Don't go overboard, because no one truly knows what the market will do next. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Also, if you want my free guide on 50 ways to make money with cryptocurrency, check out the link to my website in the video description. All right, guys, speak soon.